We're almost done. We got about, I don't know, another 100 lines or so to go. This Price CNC unit is amazing. There's so many different options, so much flexibility. I mean, I'm going to tell you what, aluminum moves around a lot when you put heat on it like this. The water under the table does eliminate some of the flex, but that does move. That material will move. Aluminum, stainless. You could put a piece of corrugated roofing on this table, and this unit right here will give direction to my torch to move up every single corrugation, and it won't strike or crash into any one of them. It's amazing. The thing works flawlessly. If anybody's interested in this Price CNC unit, don't ask any questions, just buy it. Off the chain. I could start to run a program, go back in the house and have lunch, and then come back. I don't have to worry about nothing. This gives me peace of mind. This unit right here gives me peace of mind. I can rely on that unit. But anyway, if you got questions about this Price CNC unit, you can message me. I'd be more than happy to help you out. My name is Zane, owner of Archangel Fabrication LLC, and I don't have any problems giving anybody help with this unit. It was confusing at first, and there's not a whole lot of tech support. The man that makes these, he does it by himself. He's a one-man band. He's located in Ireland. It's tough to get him on the phone too because he works during the day. This is just his little side gig, believe it or not. And he did a hell of a job keeping everything together. So that's a wrap.